Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be talking about a hot new social media network. Well, it's not that new. It's been around for a couple of years now, and you may or may not have heard of it. This social media network is called SteemIt, and in my humble opinion, it's a unique and a special social media network. And one thing that's great about it is that you get paid to use this social media website. Okay, so in the following videos, I'm going to be talking about more about what it is and why you should be using this network, aside from the fact that you get paid to use it. Okay, and I'm going to teach you how to be successful with this social media network. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video. So what is SteemIt? Well, SteemIt or SteemIt.com is a social media website, and you could think of it as a combination of Facebook and Reddit, and that people can upvote other people's posts. Now, what makes SteemIt different from other social media websites is that they actually pay you to post content. You could also get paid to upvote other people's content. So right now I'm looking at the trending section where you can see the most popular posts at the moment. And as you can see, there's a dollar amount for all these posts here. And so this person here with this post called Hots or Shots episode 4, well, let's just click on that. And as you can see, it's a video. So there's different types of content you can post on SteemIt. It could be a video, an article, a meme, just a photograph. But let's look at the dollar amount here. Currently it's $739. So it's a pending payout. They pay you after 7 days, and it's actually split between the person who made the post and the curators, or the people that upvoted. So this person here is going to be getting 75% of this amount, and the other 25% is going to the curators. Now, this dollar amount is not US dollars, it's actually Steem. Okay, so that's the cryptocurrency that you're getting paid. And if you want to cash it out, you would just convert it into Bitcoin, and then convert the Bitcoin into US dollars or whatever currency that you prefer. Now let's go back to the trending section. Okay, so let's take a look at all these other posts here. This one is currently at $445, $581. So the great thing is, a lot of people are actually making a living out of this. They've been able to quit their jobs just by posting every day on SteemIt. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to be able to quit your job or that you're going to be successful with SteemIt. I make no guarantees in this video. I don't know your work ethic and the amount of effort you put in to your business, but I'm just letting you know of the potential of posting on SteemIt. Now, what I want you to do after you watch this video or these videos is to go to SteemIt.com and open an account, because it could take a few days for you to get approved for an account. I've actually heard of people getting their accounts approved after a few weeks or even months. So it's important to try to open an account with SteemIt as soon as you can. Now that you know a little bit about SteemIt, why should you use it? Well, one of the biggest reasons is that you get paid to post content, and you also get paid to upvote other people's content. And the higher the value of the Steem currency, the more you're going to earn. And you also get paid in cryptocurrency. Now, you may or not care about getting paid in cryptocurrency, but there are a lot of people that do prefer cryptocurrency just because there's no government or central agency that can control or set regulations on cryptocurrency. And just like cryptocurrency, the SteemIt website is decentralized. Okay, and your content is not censored. So unlike Google, Facebook, YouTube, and probably other social media websites, you don't have to worry about censorship. I'm sure you've heard by now that these big social media websites are censoring people's content, whether it be because somebody in the higher level management decided to, or maybe because they're being told by the government what type of content to censor. And there's also a lot of content on SteemIt that you just won't find anywhere else. Now let's talk about the cryptocurrency that you're getting paid on SteemIt, because there's different types of currencies on there. The first one is Steem, which is spelled in all uppercase letters, and it's your liquid currency. It's what you can convert into Bitcoin and then into US dollars. Okay, and then there's a second type of currency called Steam Power. And actually, I don't really consider this really as a currency because it's not very liquid. It's more of a measurement of how much influence you have on the Steam network. So for example, if you were to upvote somebody's post, your upvote will carry more weight than somebody else's upvote who has less Steam power than you. Okay, and the person whose post that you're upvoting, they'll get paid more money because you have a higher Steam power. Okay, now you can convert your Steam into Steam power if you want, so that you can build your influence on the network. You could also power down your Steam power, which basically means you're going to convert it back into Steam. The problem is, like I said, it's not very liquid, and you'll actually receive equal distributions of Steam weekly over a 13-week period. Okay. Now there's a third type of currency, and this one is called Steam dollars, and this is designed to be pegged to the US dollar. Now both Steam and Steam dollars are traded on the exchange as different currencies, and they are both your liquid amounts. So Steam dollars is also a liquid currency, just like Steam. I hope you're excited as I am about SteemIt, and I've only been able to cover the tip of the iceberg when it comes to SteemIt. So if you have any other questions about it, I highly recommend you go to their FAQ section, or frequently asked questions section, on their website. I'm not sure if you could access it if you don't have an account, but go there and they have a lot of information. But for now, let's talk about how to be successful on SteemIt. And it's just like any other business. You have to be persistent, and try to add value. Okay, try to learn as much as you can too about the platform. And when you first get started, comment on other people's posts so people can start becoming aware of you. And if you can, try to post every day, because this is one thing that I've noticed about people who are making a living on SteemIt, people who have been able to quit their jobs. And what they do is they just post every day and are consistent. So you should try to be consistent on this network if you would like to be successful on it. Okay, and try to post high quality content. Okay, and try to be yourself, and put a lot of effort also into your introductory video. I noticed that a lot of people do not have introductory videos on SteemIt, but it's something that you should make, because people are always looking for new people on SteemIt. And there's what you call whales. Whales are what you call people who have big SteemIt accounts. And they're always looking for new people, and they'll even upvote you if they like your post and give you lots of Steam dollars, because they'll want you to stay on the network. Okay, you should also know who your target audience is, and try to make a connection with people. Don't just ask people to follow you. Don't say, hey, I'll follow you if you follow me. Okay, and as you make more friends, you'll have more people upvoting your posts, which will translate into more money. Okay, and lastly, you should, if you can, invest into some Steam tokens with your own money. So then you'll have a vested interest in the value of the company to go up, and your perspective will change, and you'll post more high quality content. It's almost like when you have shares in a company, you're going to have a vested interest in the value of that company going up.